Hey guys, so this is going to be a video on the anatomy stuff, which is a prereq for nursing. I'm just going to go over how I organize my stuff and basically, yeah, I'm going to keep all my anatomy stuff so that I can reference it. So this is my anatomy binder. It's a 2-inch binder. And on the left side over here, this is just some stuff that I need to file. I don't have any more room in this binder, so I need to get another binder. This one has all my PowerPoints. That's just some Scantrons, and this is my syllabus, and my schedule, and all that sort of thing. And then on the side here, I have a bunch of tabs, so like intro to human anatomy, integumentary system, the muscles, all that sort of thing. Just kind of one for each chapter, for each topic that we covered. And then I have more back here. Sorry if I sound a little gross, it's because I've been sick. Alright, so if I can flip this over, this is my PowerPoint. Excuse me. So I'm just going to show you guys kind of like a section. So this is my PowerPoint, and out of the tab I made like just a little see-through page protector. And I just put some overview notes on the chapter. This one is respiratory system, so like the functions of the upper and lower and things like that. And then this is the actual PowerPoint with all of my notes. All the PowerPoint stuff. So they took these notes in class, and then I'm just filing in this folder because I want to hang on to them for future reference. Yep, this is my PowerPoint notes. And then, see, this is digestive, and if you notice here, I still have the page protector because it's the divider, but I don't have anything in it. I just strictly took points on the PowerPoint for the digestive system. Sorry, that's my mom. Here's the final exam prep tab. So this is just like a study guide that I can go off of for my final exam, and then back here I have more notes and things that I need to file into the second binder once I punch it up. When I get this closed up, I will show you the next part of my anatomy stuff. So real quick, you can see how overflowed it is. It's overflowing. I need another binder real soon. And I get the heavy duty for anatomy class just because, as you can see, there's so much stuff in there. I really need to make sure that it's going to hang on. Now this is my final exam study guide. So my teacher gave us a study guide, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is where I basically answered all of the questions. So this is the actual book that I used to study for my final exam. So I have all of the chapters in here. And then just what I need to know in each chapter. Everything's really condensed because it's final exam. I even have some stuff that I drew out to help me. Oh, it's not good over there. The stuff that I drew out to help me understand it better. So yeah, this again is what I studied off of, and this is the actual final exam study guide. So this is what I base all of the information in that red book off of. So for example, I'll show you the urinary system, chapter 27. It says describe the structures and functions of the urinary system. So, if I go back over to the red book and I go flip to my urinary system, chapter 27. Here we go, urinary system. First thing I have listed is the structure, kidney, ureters, bladder, and urethra. So, you get the idea. So this is what I studied off of, and I'm definitely hanging on to this because it's very important for reference. And I also took this study guide and I photocopied all of my notes and I uploaded them on my computer, and then just printed them onto these CDs here. I can get it out. Excuse me. A friend of mine actually, she also here are the CDs. She also printed her notes out for me, put them on it to a CD. And so there's also photos from the last day of my class, because in anatomy, we have really close as a class, and normally in college, you don't get that close with your classmates. I mean, you may find one here or there, but we were like a family, all of us, including the teacher. It just says trust the process. It's something that my teacher always said. And then this is just a card that a friend of mine, Jermaine, gave me on the last day of anatomy class when we had our final. Let me see if I can get this back in there. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let me just get this stuff out of the way. This is my book, my anatomy textbook. I have a cover here, as you can see. These are just some quick reference guides that I purchased at Borders. Excuse me. On the side here, you can see that I have lots of tabs. If you open it up, it's just a regular textbook, and writing, and highlighting, and the usual stuff. But again, I am keeping all of my anatomy stuff for reference. And then up at the top, I have some tabs and some diagrams that I needed to remember. So that's my anatomy book. And then these are just some labs. I need to file these away in my other binder when I get it. And then going into here, this is just some stuff that I would carry back and forth to school. Stuff that the teacher would return to me. For example, this is a Gardasil assignment that I had to do. There's some tests in here. Different things like that. And then this is the instructions from the Gardasil assignment. And just other assignments that we've had in the past. So I want to hang on to this stuff. Excuse me. I've been really sick lately. Yeah, and then this is my planning. It's not really, it doesn't pertain to anatomy, just school in general. I love this thing. My life is in here. So I open it up, I have this little thing that will mark the month that I'm in. So this is May. And then I can just flip to weeks. It's color coordinated for the most part. I have important things highlighted, like presentations and tests. It may look messy to you guys, but I know exactly how everything is. Like, I know exactly, I can just look at it from a distance and tell you anything about it. I love it. So this is all the stuff that I wanted to get done for anatomy prior to this whole page that we're looking at right here is prior to finals, and then here we are at finals week. So yeah, that's just my planning. Life is in that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to see you guys, and bye.